Of carbon monoxide poisoning rises when cold weather strikes, and the cold weather is here to stay for at least the next couple of months. 22 News reporter Jennifer Zarate is working for you with ways to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning.
As temperatures drop, the danger of carbon monoxide poisoning begins to rise. Carbon monoxide incidents happen more often during colder months since heating systems run more frequently.
Once you start turning your furnaces on and your heating systems, now is the time when you want to really look out for the carbon monoxide.
Rocky's Ace Hardware in Springfield told 22 News carbon monoxide alarm sales are up during this time of year. They suggest homeowners place one alarm per floor, including one by the furnace, which is usually in the basement.
Because carbon is not something you could smell or see or hear, and if you don't have any way to detect it, it could harm you. It's something that you really want to look out for and to protect your family with.
And there are steps you can take to help protect yourself and your household. Johnson told 22 News air filters are necessary for furnaces to run efficiently and should be changed every 3 months, especially during the winter months. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include fatigue, dizziness, nausea, and vomiting. A quiet killer. More than 400 people die each year in the U.S. from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. But the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said carbon monoxide poisoning is entirely preventable. Reporting in Springfield, Jennifer Zarate, 22 News.